Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool mini cannon. It's simple to make, and it fires matches. It's the same principle as the match rockets, which I made in a video a few years ago. Start by tearing off a strip of kitchen foil. We need it to have very straight edges, so I'm using a guillotine to cut down the one side. You could use scissors if you don't have a guillotine. We need to cut the foil strip slightly wider than the length of a match. So line it up nice and square, and cut yourself a strip. Next, take a match, and if you look closely, you can see the head of the match is slightly wider than the stick. We want to even this out, so take a strip of tape and wrap it around the matchstick until most of it is roughly the same diameter as the head. Next, we're going to place our match on the foil strip that we cut earlier, and carefully wrap it around the match and roll it over. We want to keep the edge nice and straight, and roll the foil up all the way to the end. Try to keep it nice and tight. When you get to the end, you can pull the matchstick out, and this is going to be the barrel for our cannon. Next, I'm using some pliers to crimp and fold over one end. And if we take a fresh match without any tape on it, it should slide in and out nice and easily. I'm going to use these two nuts as wheels for our cannon. I've got this short bit of threaded bar to hold them together, and I'm putting the barrel in between and tightening the nuts to softly crimp it and hold it in place. You could use a paper clip if you prefer. Next thing to do is slide in a fresh match. Now this one doesn't seem to slide in all the way. I think I must have crimped it a bit too tightly, but let's see if it works. To light it, I'm using this mini chef's blowtorch. Heat up roughly where the match head is, and off it shoots. Pretty cool, huh? Once it's cooled down, you can reload with another match and fire again. When the match head ignites, it forms a small explosion inside the barrel, and this expansion fires out the matchstick. You might find after a bit of use, you struggle to get matches to slide in properly. Maybe the inside of the barrel is unravelling, like this one. If so, you can just roll up another one and start again. If you haven't got a little blowtorch, you can fire it using a lighter or a match. But it may take a little longer. If you try this, you must take all the necessary safety precautions. Make sure nothing can catch fire, and do it somewhere safe. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.